everyone, good morning and welcome back to the part 2 of the book review of All This Love by Ashish Bakrecha. So in the last video मैंने आप लोगों को कुछ मतलब कि I have told you, I have like outspoken some of the lines that I felt that yeah, these lines are very touchable to my heart and they had really touched my heart. Now apart of that, like this whole book also, like I had already mentioned that this book is consists of 4 parts. That is first resolve, then this, then love and all this love. So basically मैंने अभी लास्ट टाइम जो वीडियो थी मेरी उसमें मैंने बेसिकली आई हैड मेंशन मोस्ट ऑफ द कोट्स फ्रॉम दिस पार्ट ओनली. नाउ द कोट्स फ्रॉम लव पार्ट, लाइक थोड़ा सा रोमांटिक साइड ऑफ थिंग्स यू कैन से ऐसा होगा, बट ऑब्वियसली मतलब ऐसा देखो, दिस टाइम आई एम लाइक दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम रीडिंग सम बुक, लाइक आई हैड कंप्लीटेड दैट बुक. लाइक द थिंग इज दिस, वैसे आई ऑलवेज स्टार्ट बट नेवर कंप्लीट सम बुक, बट ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ पोम बुक, उतनी ज़्यादा बड़ी नहीं थी, तो आई हैड मैनेज टू कंप्लीट दिस बुक. सो नाउ some of the quotes that I find these are really very essential, or you can say romantic. So I am telling you about that quote. So moving on to the first quote, that is the line, or you can say the poem. Two bodies sharing the same air, but the distance between us feels like oceans. Though no one else sees it, we speak, but the words fall heavy like stones, plugging to silence, rippling away before they ever reach. There is a loneliness, a slow creeping thing that settles in when love grows still. When connection fades, bit by bit, piece by aching piece, we have all felt it, haven't we? The kind of loneliness, the one that lingers, even in the arms of the one we swore would save us from it. मतलब अगेन एक बार आप इसको सोच के देखिए, you will feel like how deep is this line are. Okay, moving on to the second line. इतनी ज़्यादा समझ मुझे भी नहीं आई एक्चुअली, but deep है यार, deep है. Okay, you know me more than you probably should. You know me more than you probably should. Disclaimer: don't say it, I don't warn you. होता है ना, ये अब दिल लगा लिए है तो फिर चले ही जाना है, तो ऐसा कुछ है. नेक्स्ट लाइन. ओके, लुक एट अस, मतलब कि दिस अभी ये जो आई एम गोना टेल यू द पोम, ये दिस इज मोर लाइक जो मॉडर्न लव स्टोरी हो रही है आज के टाइम की, नॉट लाइक इन ओल्ड स्कूल. मतलब ओल्ड स्कूल मतलब ऐसे तो नहीं कैटेगराइज कर सकते, मतलब कि वी आर यूजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, मतलब आज के टाइम पे टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड लव यू कैन से. So these lines are: look at us, writing love in emojis and memes, ridiculous, beautiful, so us, falling through screens, heart sinking, over laggy calls, long text, more like a you can say long distance relationship thing. It feels ancient, like our souls have changed forever. We speak in gifts, share dumb reels, saying I see you, I'm yours, without spelling it out. We are cosmic dust finding love in this digital mess. Maybe our grandparents wouldn't get it, who cares? This love born online feels as timeless as the universe itself. Now the thing is कि time के साथ the way of loving your loved ones वो change हो जाता है, because आज के टाइम में we do have technology, so obviously we are making the most of it. Now the next line, next poem. Okay, love held too tightly begins to fracture like stardust, crumbling under the weight of need. This is where we learn the delicate art of holding love loosely, with open hands, with trust. Love stays not because we cage it, but because it chooses to. And when love is free, it blooms with the force of the cosmos, like galaxies reaching for stars. We hold it gently, like the universe in our palms, and in doing so, we love completely, fearlessly, letting love find its own space to shine. Again, these all line up very deep, very very deep. If you can think कि ऐसा होता है ना कि अगर अगर वॉट वी थिंक कि अगर वी होल्ड समथिंग वेरी टाइटली तो इवेंचुअली वो जाती है, मतलब वो जाना चाहती है, लाइक इट स्टार्टेड गेटिंग सफोकेशन. तो लाइक होल्ड द लव जेंटली. नाउ द नेक्स्ट लाइन. I don't want you just to watch sunset together. I need you because I want to watch moonsets with you. Tucked in your bed, wrapped in your arms, gazing at the sky outside the bedroom window and feeling exactly how love is supposed to be felt. Damn, this is so beautiful and it's so beautiful. Next line, next poem. Love doesn't just arrive, it's a choice we make over and over in how we show up, in how we listen when words fail, in how we hold the fragile, messy parts without flinching. Love isn't choosing when it's heavy, when it's hard, we still say yes. These lines are so good. Now the last one. Sometimes love can take away someone you never imagined losing. And sometimes it can surprise you with someone you never dared loving, because only love knows how our stories will end. Okay, so this was the last poem that I find very good. Overall the book is obviously very nice. Highly recommended book. Apart from that, that's all from my side. Thank you for watching this video. Bye, take care.